Got a new cooking gadget. What is it? You might know by now. It's for household use only. I'll open it up right in front of you. It's yellow. Box. In a box. Still don't know, do you? Oh, get cooking. Yes, chef. Rapid egg cooker. My favorite kind of eggs are poached eggs. You know they're a little tricky to cook. Well, I saw a demo of this and it's going to cook them real good. Plus we can make egg salad, we can make all kinds of stuff. But I gotta hurry up because I'm really hungry right now. Okay? Look how that's packed. I got yellow so I can see through it. There's different colors. Well, yellow is kind of eggy anyway, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Safety thing on the plug, see it? Plastic. I'll figure it out. Timer auto off. This egg cooker is equipped with a precision thermal sensor and will automatically shut off when the water has fully evaporated from the heating plate and the buzzer sounds. Okay, Ned. Still hungry. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 6. You can get 6 in there. One won't fit there, I don't think. To make egg salad. So right now, I'm gonna make poached eggs, and I believe you make 2 at a time that way. Oh, measuring cup. Show you that. That thing. Show you that. That's probably a handle. That's where you put one of each of your poached eggs. Poached eggs and omelets, okay. Coat it with a little cooking spray to help the eggs release easily from the tray. Well, not rust. That's good. Who wants a rusty egg cooker? Okay, always place the omelet bowl and poaching tray on top of the boiling tray and never directly on the heating plate. So that's the boiling tray. Look at that. Alright, I'll make poached eggs. This is probably a handle. Look at me knowing stuff. Or look at me not knowing stuff. Read the direction. Alright, poached eggs, that's what I want right now. Yeah, that's a handle for this. See? One thing at a time. Poached eggs. Pierce the bottom of each egg with the measuring cup. Oh, like that, okay. Well, you would pierce the egg shell if you're going to make hard-boiled eggs, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to crack the egg completely because I want poached eggs. But first I'm going to rinse these off, wash them up good, wash and dry them. Everything about this, how that stays connected. Okay, so we're going to fill this up to omelet or poached with water. If you want hard-boiled eggs, there's water amounts on the other side. And here's where we use this tray, because you don't put any of these right on the heating element. You put this because it's raised up above, and then you put either your poached egg or your omelet pan on there. Then you put the cover. So I'm going to make 2 poached eggs. I'm going to fill this up to omelet or poached with water. Pour that in the tray down the bottom. Plug it in the wall. I'm going to spray my poached egg tray Look at that nice blue light. Can you see that? Spray that slightly. A couple of eggs over here. Haven't had some. Isn't that good? Hungry. Crack one on one side. Crack one on the other side. Put them there. Look how easy this is. Oh, I dripped down below there. Oh, don't make a mess. I think that light should be off before we start. See, it was on. And my eggs were jumbo, so some ran out the other side, but make sure your eggs aren't too big, maybe. I don't know. Right? Put the lid on. Look, that goes under the handles there. Okay, locks, I guess. Oh, that keeps the steam in. Push the button. And let me get my toast started. I don't know how long this is going to take the first time. But that's supposed to beep when the water is all evaporated, and that tells it the eggs are done. Okay, right back. I'm hungry, you know that. Breakfast time. I hear the water boiling in there. Steam building up, see it? What a neat little gadget. And poached eggs are my favorite. They always were. On toast. I'm going to probably eat 6 of them today. Then I'm going to make hard-boiled eggs and have egg salad for lunch. Maybe. Look. How long was that? About 4 minutes. Okay. So look at them. My first poached eggs. Ooh, not bad. That guy's a different color. Oh, because I had more white on that side? Whatever. Alright, my first one. Let's get my toast in the toaster. Here's some nice toast. I think both eggs are going to end up on one piece of toast. My bread used to be smaller. Let's see. Put butter on. What do you think of that? I'm going to make more. See how easy they come out. Is that hot? Yeah. Oh, 2 poached eggs. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not even in the camera. Anyway, there it is. My first set of poached eggs. Let me fill it back. Oh, I could just make a poached egg sandwich, couldn't I? Yeah, I could. Think about that. Woo! I like them. I'm gonna make some more. Alright, try that. Eat it with a knife and fork if you want. Or pick it up and make a nice big sandwich. Poached egg sandwich. I like it. Nice and sloppy. Just think about it. Running eggs. You like them? Look at me. Come on. It's too early in the morning. Alright. Try this Yes egg cooker. Is that what it's called again?
Yes, chef.
Oh. Yes, chef. It's fun. I'm gonna make some more. I'm thinking of a sloppy bite. I never had a poached egg sandwich before. But I can't say that again. Whoa! There's another batch. If you want them a little harder and less runny, you can leave them in there for a couple more minutes, but let me look. Oh, aren't they perfect? Yeah. Nice. Get them out of there. Perfect, see that? Oh. Yeah, it's a poached egg party. I'm gonna have some more. Okay? I'm gonna keep making them. Alright, I'm just gonna have 2 more. And I'm making some more, I can't stop. Real good. There's some more. Woo, perfect poached eggs every time. Alright, that's just one thing that this egg cooker will do. I'm gonna enjoy these. Thanks again for watching. Get yourself one of these gadgets if you like. I like them. Talk to you later. Excellent.